back to the channel. We're going for a fall drive today. Going back down a really nasty, bumpy road, but it's got lots of bends and the colors are beautiful, so we'll make the most of it. Gotta love it. Top down, fall colors. It is kind of cold right now. I'm wearing insulated pants, like 4 layers of shirts. I could almost use some gloves, but we're making do. I mean, I run this thing until it's in the negatives. As long as there's no snow on the ground, we're top down, baby. We're into the windy roads. It's beautiful out here. Unfortunately, this road sucks, so it's going to be very, very bouncy, and we'll make do. So many bad spots in this road. It's terrible, but it's such a nice road to drive. I wish they would pave it. So bad. It's rough. We're hitting everything. Oh no. Woo, woo. I don't know this road well enough to know exactly where all the potholes are coming up, because I don't drive it for this reason. I must actually say I don't mind this 3.5-inch tip, the change in tone that it gave when you're actually like revving out. It's not bad. It's a little bit droney, like when you're just steady cruising and you let off, and the 3-inch surprisingly had like almost no drone compared to this, and it's just that minor difference. Oh man, just look at the colors coming out behind me. Woo, it is beautiful. I gotta say, it's crazy how well tight bend. It's crazy how well this car handles on $500 coilovers that I bought 6 years ago or more. Like, it's actually very, very incredible that they've lasted this long. I know they're getting, they've been abused, and they're not really the greatest now. Like, I know that they need to be replaced. I've been wanting to replace them for the last couple of years, but like, I still can't believe how well it hugs. It's just, you have so much connection with the road. Almost never get tires, like, I'm almost never sliding at all. And I can get hard into some corners, and there's no tires screeching. It just goes. She nasty. Almost where I'm headed, so I'm gonna do a little pull and then end the video. It's been a great drive. Great drive. Sounds so good.